What's up, DJs? What's going on, guys? All right, market's kind of recovering a little bit here. Let's have a look at Jasmy. Down 10.4%, but it's really only down on the day compared to everything else because it pumped so hard yesterday, right? So it's perfectly natural. But right now, down 6 spots on rank to 66. Market cap still 2.47 billion. Volume is still 1.43 billion. Up 91.9% on the week, 133% on the month, guys. Look at 765% up on the year. So a lot of people have been complaining, price action, no price action. You're up 765% on the year, guys. You just don't see the forest for the trees. Let's go have a look at the chart. We have, at the time of recording, we have about 16 minutes until the daily close. I would like to see us close this daily candle above 5 cents, guys. Right now, 5 cents 0.89. So far, so good. But we still have about 16 minutes left. Let's close this candle above 5 cents. That's what I want to see. Ping pong inside this area here for a couple of days, maybe a week and a half even, before continuing to the upside. My break out of this symmetrical triangle here, or you could even call it a bull flag, really. My target is about between 9 to 10 cents on this breakout, guys. So that's one thing that I am watching for right now. If we go over to the weekly time frame, right, things look really good on the weekly. Look at this. Clean close. We need a clean close above this resistance level right here at the 5 cent level, 4 cent 4 to 5 cents. We want to close above that. Well, 4 cents 4 is down here, but anyway, 5 cents here. We want to close above there, guys, on the weekly time frame. That is not until 2.5 days. 2.5 days, right? So that's what I'll be watching for on the weekly time frame. Build up some consolidation right here. As of right now, guys, if we go look at the Bitcoin chart, again, we've got 15 minutes until the daily close, and the bears have managed to push Bitcoin back down below $100,000 again, $99,870. Bulls have about 15 minutes to close this daily candle above 100K. That's what we'll be looking for on the daily close here, guys. So get it together, bulls. Let's go, man. We need a push. That's 2 days in a row you're failing to close the daily candle above 100K. It doesn't mean anything if Bitcoin goes above 100K and doesn't close candles above there. If we continue to close candles below 100K, we could get rejected and start coming back down again, right? That's very, very realistic scenario that could be happening if Bitcoin doesn't start closing candles above 100K, guys. Bulls or bears are pushing us down. And you might not like where we end up going. Now, for me, guys, one of the things that I'm looking for as well, people keep asking me, every live stream I do, I get at least 2 to 3 people ask me, where's Jasmy's price going to be at the end of December? That's not what I'm paying attention to, right? In the near term, what I'm paying attention to is Junction launching this month in December, okay? Then Jasmy being removed from the monitoring zone or the innovation zone on Binance the first week of January, right? If we get those two things happening in combination within, 2 weeks of each other or something along those lines, that could be a massive double catalyst that could catapult Jasmy, to who knows what heights, guys. And I'm hoping that we can break up to that 9 to 10 cent level that I mentioned when I was on the chart, before we get those two catalysts. Because if we can consolidate somewhere between 9 to 10 cents before we get those catalysts, at the end of the month, beginning of next month, that could help propel us up to that 15 to 25 cent level, right? Somewhere in there would be absolutely phenomenal. So that is what I'm really paying attention to. I don't care what Jasmy's price can be at the end of this month. I care what it's going to be at the end of January, right? When these catalysts start kicking in. So that's what I'm paying attention to in the near term, guys, right? And I would encourage you to kind of want to pay attention to the same scenario. We'll see how it plays out, right? That's what we're going to be tracking. So we got Jasmy price prediction. Jasmy surges 19%, but experts say this might be the best crypto to buy right now. The Jasmy price has surged 19% in the past 24 hours to trade at 5 cents 392 as of 3:30 in the morning last night on a 285% pump, in trading volume. Yeah, so 285% pump on the trading volume to over 2.4 billion. So the Jasmy USD daily chart shows strong bullish momentum with a parabolic price move. After consolidating around the 1 cent to 1 cent 5 level for quite some time, the price drastically surged, breaking out from its base and trading at 5 cents 392. Got as high as 6 cents 1, I want to say, something like that, around 6 cents 1. This is quite the rally, but a 7.78% pullback on the day indicates higher level profit taking or resistance. The parabolic curve formation indicates aggressive buying interest, but such patterns often correct once momentum slows. The formation of a golden cross where the 50-day moving average is on the verge of crossing above the 200-day moving average generally indicates a long-term sentiment is shifting towards the stronger uptrend. Supporting this view is the MACD indicator, which remains positive, with the MACD line staying above the signal line, reflecting ongoing bullish strength. However, the widening divergence between the MACD line and the signal line could point to diminishing momentum. Additionally, the Relative Strength Index, or RSI, stands at 80.01, well into overbought territory, suggesting the Jasmy coin price might reach exhaustion in the short term. This combination indicates that while the rally has been strong, caution is warranted as the correction could be imminent. Well, we did see a pullback down to 5 cents, so we did correct. Now I believe we're going to consolidate, and like I said, forming either a symmetrical triangle bull flag formation with a break to the upside, maybe in the next week and a half to 2 weeks. From a price perspective, key resistance lies in 6 cents to 7 cents region, where sellers may step in to take profits or where traders could encounter psychological barriers. On the downside, 4 cents 524, the earlier high in June, will likely act as the first support level. Yeah, I would agree with that if we come down that far during any pullback. If the correction deepens, 4 cents level could become a critical zone to hold, as it is both a psychological level and a key structural support. Furthermore, the area around the 50-day moving average and 200-day moving averages at 2 cents 3 and 2 cents 5 serves as a dynamic support aligning with longer term trends. Should the price retrace even further, the 1 cent to 1 cent 5 range, which served as a strong consolidation between before the breakout, could provide a solid floor for the price to stabilize. Yeah, but I personally don't see us going down that far. And then it just gets into this meme coin that we're not going to get into. So now, again, going back over to the Jasmy price, Jasmy chart, guys, like we just talked about. Go back over to the daily time frame. So for me, like I said, guys, we're at 5 cents 105 right now. We close in 8 minutes. I feel like, again, consolidation right here inside this symmetrical triangle, possibly bull flag formation. I gave you my breakout target, but let's go to some of the lower time frames. Let's go to the 4 hour. See what's happening on the 4 hour. What do we got setting up here? We kind of have a little bit of a bull flag forming here on the 4 hour time frame, really. On smaller time frames here. Kind of got a bit of a bull flag going on here to begin with, right? Could we see a break to the upside? Might meet resistance at the top of the trend line here again around that 6 cent level, but we're getting kind of close in here. We could see a break back up to around that 5 cent 9 6 cent level before hitting resistance again on a break of this little bit of a bull flag thing we got going on on the 4 hour on the lower time frames here. So that's what I'm watching right now. But we are putting in another higher low, guys. That's important as well on the 4 hour. As you can see, higher low, higher low, higher low. We're putting in yet another higher low. Very, very important structure as well. What does the 1 hour tell us? Oh, 1 hour kind of looks like a head and shoulders pattern here on the 1 hour, right? It's a little bit of a wonky one, but it kind of looks like a head and shoulders on the 1 hour. A little bit ugly. Maybe we get a pull back down to around the 100 moving average on the hourly time frame, around 4 cents, 421. I could see that happening as well. But we'll see which ones play out. The lower the time frame, guys, the less likely it is to play out, right? It looks bullish on the 4 hour, bullish on the daily, bullish on the weekly, a little bit bearish on the hourly. So we'll have to see how things kind of play out. We'll just stay on top of it, right? So yeah. Anyway, guys, click like if you like this video. Click subscribe if you really liked it. Guys, if you've never been through an altcoin season before, things get crazy. Euphoria is everywhere. Misinformation is everywhere. You're having people tell you not to sell, super cycle this. It's going into 2026, going into 2027, and so on and so forth, guys. They're going to start throwing crazy price predictions your way, right? And it's going to be hard for you to understand what is real and what is not, right? So what I would say to you is surround yourself with a community of people who have been through multiple altcoin seasons before, who can help you navigate the treacherous waters of misinformation from larger content creators who throw wild price predictions just to get your clicks, not caring that they force you to hold too long and miss out on your profits. They don't care, right? They want your clicks. So again, surround yourself with a community of people who've been there before, right? We can help you design your exit strategies, your profit-taking strategies, making sure that you're getting paid and compounding your gains instead of missing out and falling for the fear of, I've been through my first cycle too. Everyone's been through a first cycle. I've been through a first cycle years ago. I understand. You don't know. Should I, when should I be selling? Am I selling too soon? What if I sell too soon? What if I sell too late? You know what I mean? I understand, guys. I've been there before. We've all been there. Everyone's had a first cycle, right? So again, there's no shame in surrounding yourself and having your hand held by a community of people who've been there before if it means you making life-changing wealth for yourself. Join our community. We do live group Zoom calls every single day. You can join our conversations. We do price predictions, price targets, exit strategies, passive income opportunities. You can also schedule one-on-one coaching sessions with yours truly. And yeah, we can get you straightened away here. We can make sure your portfolio is ready to go. Make sure you have a plan to take your profits properly, making sure that you're able to identify where liquidity is in the market so that your sell orders actually fill. There's very few things worse, guys, than setting your sell orders and watching the price go right through them and your sell orders not filling because there's no liquidity, which means there's no buy orders where you're putting your sell orders, and then you're left standing there going, what the hell, man? Why did my sell orders not fill? This is BS, right? Don't be caught in that, guys. You can get screwed very, very easily in this market if you don't know what you're doing. So again, join the community. The link is down in the description down below, guys. We will see you over there. Click like if you like this video. Click subscribe if you really liked it. I'll see you guys in the next one.